Hi guys, this is the Spanish course by Organizer. Today we are going to begin with a series of videos of the Spanish course, beginning with the beginner level, lesson 1. So go on. We're going to begin with the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds because for me it's very important not to begin to study grammar and memorizing vocabulary and to learn a lot of rules. For me, that is not the best way to do it. So we're gonna begin, like you could see, the vowel sounds, las vocales y sus sonidos. What are we gonna do? We're gonna see the letter, the symbol of the letter. We're gonna see the sound, hear the sound, and we're gonna see examples of combination with other letters. So the first one is the letter A. Sound A always. It doesn't change. It's not A, it's not it's A clearly. And like it's the first one that we're studying right now, example is A. The next one is the letter A. This is the symbol. Those are the symbols. The sound always would be A. An example of combination with other letter like A would be alone A, A, A. But in combination would be A, I, Ea. The next letter is E. Sound E. This is the symbol of the sound. And example. Alone. E, 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 E. Like you see, it doesn't change ever. But in combination would be E, I, Ea, A. The next one is O. Sound O always. Example, alone, O, 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 O. But in combination together would be O, O, Oa, Eo. The last one of the vowels would be U, with sound U always. An example, alone, U, 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 U. It doesn't change. But in combination would be U, Au, Ue, O. Okay, right. The next one are gonna be the consonants and their sounds. We're gonna begin with the letter B that could sound B with the both lips or V. An example is up, ba, or aba, right? The next one is the letter C. It could have different sounds. It could sound k, s, th, and x. It depends of the combination with other letters and the accent. For example, with the letter A, it could sound ka or aka, but with the letter A, it could sound s. For example, se or ase. In other accents, it could sound different. The same combination, like you see, the sound th, like in English with the combination th, the, ace. It's the same combination but with different sound. Se, the, ace, ace. And the last one is the combination double C that it sounds x, like x, axi, axi, x, x, x. Okay, the next one is the letter D with the sound D, always strong, clearly. It's not D, it's not D, it's D. Example, da, ada, ad. The next one is F, sound f. Example, fa, afa, af. The next one is the letter G. With this, it could have different sounds too. G, h, I, h. It depends of the combination or the accent again. Like you see, it's the same pattern with the, for example, C letter. Strong with A, O, and U, and weak with E and I. For example, ga, ak, aga. And in the other hand, with E would sound aje, aji. And in other accents, it could sound so similar to the French R, like G, ag. Is the same combination, but it a different accent. Sound very different. Not too different, but it sounds different for the native speakers. G, G, aji, aji. Right? And we have the letter H that it doesn't sound frequently in Spanish, or in some combinations it sounds like ch, cha, cha. Example, where it doesn't sound. A, yeah, is the same sound always. It doesn't depend if it is at the beginning, between, or at the last of the word. But the combination with this letter C or C, it could sound cha. Like in this case, cha, acha, y ach. It's strong, it's not sh, it's ch. The next ones are the letter J that can sound like h or like ja, ja. For example, when it sounds ha, it sounds ha, ah, or aha. And in the other hand, it could sound ja, aj, or aja. Okay, it depends. This is so frequently in foreign names like, I don't know, Jennifer or something like that. It's more frequently this sound in Spanish. Okay, the next one is ka with the sound ka. Example, ka, ak, aka, like in English. The letter L, the sound l. Example, la, ala, al. And a combination of the letter L is the WL, edgy, that could sound ja. Okay? For example, in ja, aja, or aj, but it could sound a little bit different depending on the accent, like yeah, like a yeah sound. Yeah, aya, aya. Look at the difference. It's only the accent. Ja, ya, aja, aya, aj, ay. Okay? In other accents like Argentine and Spanish, in those places that are from the south of South America, even it could sound very different, like sha, sha. So it's so similar to the combination of sh in English. Asha, it could sound asha. The letter M sound example, normal, ma, ama. The letter N sound n, example, na, ana, an. Okay, the next consonants and sounds are the letter ñ with the sounds ña. That is so characteristic of Spanish. So in next video, I'm gonna show you that how to improve that kind of sounds that are a little bit tricky for known Spanish native speakers, and you're gonna see that that is not that hard that people say. Okay, examples: ña, aña, and aña. The letter P with the sound P. Example, pa, up, apa, clearly. The letter Q sound K. Example, que and aquí. But you're gonna see that that sound is always with the combination Q, U, and other letter like E or I. Okay, only E or I. The next one is a very characteristic to letter, that is the R or R, sound R and R. Example of the pronunciation. At the beginning of the word, it could sound like ra. Between two vowels alone, ara. Between two vowels, duplicated, arra again. And at the last of the word, ar, ar, strong, 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 strong. soft. The next one is the letter S, sound S. Example, sa, as, asa. Other letter is T, sound T, strong always, is not D, is not R, is T, T, always. Example, ta, ata, at. Okay, the next letters are the V, V, with the sounds B or V, depending on the cultural aspects and accent. And an example would be va, av, or ava. The next one is W, W, O, V, W. Sound wa, example wa, au, awa. The next letter would be X, sound S or X, depending on the position of the letter. For example, at the beginning, that is so frequent, usually in the beginning of names. It sounds sa. Between two vowels, it could sound X, like axa or ax. Another letter would be J, with sounds E or J. For example, the letter alone would be sound E, that is translated to ant. The other sounds J is frequent at the beginning or in the middle of vowels, ja, aja, and at the last of the words it could sound I, E, I. Okay, and the last one would be zeta, with sounds S or th, that is frequent in English, and it depends of the accent. For example, those are the same combination, but depending of the answer, it could sound a little bit different. For example, sa, as, asa, but in other accent, it could sound tha, ath, atha. Look at the difference. Sa, tha, as, ath, asa, atha. Okay, the next step is an exercise of pronunciation. At the left, we are gonna try to pronounce English words in Spanish pronunciation. I think that it could be a little bit fun, but that is very successful for learn the correct pronunciation of Spanish. And in the right, we're gonna pronounce Spanish words, obviously with the Spanish pronunciation. Okay, the first, it wouldn't be Donald Trump, it would be Donald Trump. The next is not Taylor, would be Taylor. Next, configuración, configuración. David, David. Exercice, exercice. Facebook, Facebook. YouTube, YouTube. Google, Google. Awesome. Die, die. Careful, careful. United States of America. Fought, fought. Poto, poto. Okay, I know that it could be a little bit fun, but that is successful. And you could do it when in your normal day. You could go and you could see something in English, try to pronounce it in Spanish. Okay, and now the Spanish words. Calculadora, computador, televisor, perro, niño, corazón, sonreír, España, lentes de contacto, amor, sexualidad. Okay, I hope you enjoy it and see you next time. Thank you.